best application, or should I say best drama application out there today, and I'll be showing you guys how to use it and pretty much get the best results with these movies. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and you can pretty much see all the short series or everything that you can watch on this application here. So some of them you may not get English, some of them have English but with English subtitles, so it's still watchable. So if I scroll down here and scroll on some more, I can see all of the movies. I can continue scrolling. You can see a lot of short movies that you can watch, guys. So let's say, for example, I want to watch this one here. All I got to do is just pretty much tap on the one that I want to watch, and it will start. So it may not be the first episode, so make sure you go on this where it says selection and check to make sure it is the first episode that you have selected. So this doesn't really require you to get any coins like some of the others do, and also you don't need much subscription, and it's not much ads on the application as well. So you have a collection. If you want to save it as your favorite, you can do that as well. So if I go back real quick, much will be greeted back with home screen. So over here where it says main section, nothing much. You can always see the collection option here. This is pretty much where we see your favorite that you have added to your collection, that you can go back and watch again. Also your history, you see all the movies that you have watched on this application. So it doesn't require any subscription for this episode. Most of them are let me just exhaust this real quick. So all of them are pretty much completely free, but while navigating through the application, as you could see there, you may encounter some ads. But once it's ads is pretty much 30 seconds, but no ad, no coins. You don't need any coins or anything to watch these movies, or you don't need any subscription or anything like that. So you don't have the feature or any subscription to remove ads. You just have to wash them off and X them off. But that's really pretty much it for this application. Very good application. You have a lot of TV series which you can watch. They're very interesting, and you don't have to pay any coins or pay anything to unlock any episodes or anything like that. So it's a very good application. Just that there's a lot of ads, but ads are not that annoying, guys. Let's be honest. So if I miss anything in this video, please comment below. I'd love to help you out. And with all of you guys, see you guys in the next tutorial.